So for this, we must need to know that how to multiply the simple numbers. Okay, so if we multiply 2 with 3, it will be 6. Okay, we all know that. If we multiply 5 with 3, that will be 15. Okay, that's a very basic. Okay, but if we use the negative number, then what will happen? If we multiply one negative number one negative number with a positive number, the result number will be always negative. Okay, and so let's see some example. The negative number is 3, is multiplied with 5, the result will be minus 15. And similarly, if another number is 3, if it's multiplied with another negative number minus 2, the result will be minus 6. So one negative number and one positive number, it will be always a negative number. Okay, let's see if two negative number are multiplied. Okay, if two negative number are multiplied, so negative multiplied with a negative, the result will be always positive. So let's see example. Let's see minus 2 multiplied with minus 3, so the result will be 6. And minus 4 multiplied with minus 5, the result will be 20. So what is it? Negative number multiplied with a positive number, the result will be a negative number. The negative number multiplied with a negative number, the result will be a positive number. Okay, so for division, if we divide it, it will follow the similar rule. Okay, and what is it? If we divide minus 6 with if we divide minus 6 with 2, the result will be minus 3. If we divide 6 with minus 2, the result will be minus 3. Similarly here, if the both number are negative, the result will be positive. Like if we divide minus 6 with minus 2, the result will be 3. If we divide minus 20 with minus 4, the result will be 5. Okay, now let's learn the multiplication and the division in algebra. So what will happen in algebra? So we saw for the sum and subtraction that it is necessary to the variable be same. Okay, like 5x plus 3x, the result will be 8x. When we can do this? When the variable are same, like this is x, this is x, the both variables are same, so we can add them. Okay, so for multiplication and division in algebra, it is not necessary to be the variable same. Okay, so here the same variable is not mandatory. So let's see some problem like this. If I multiply 3ab with 2ac, okay, so at first we have to multiply the number. So here it is 3 and here is 2, so the multiplication of 3 and 2 is 6. Okay, then we have to find that how many a is there. There are 2a, so the result will be a square. And how many b there? There is only one b, so result will be b. And how many c are there? There is only one c, so result will be 6a square bc. So if we use the negative number here, like example like 3ab multiplied with the minus 2bc. Okay, so at first we have to consider that the number are here, negative number multiplied with the negative number. So what will happen? The resultant number will be a positive number. So minus 3 multiplied with minus 2, it will be 6. Okay, then let's see how many a there. There is only one a, so a. And how many b are there? There is 2b, so b square. How many c are there? There is only one c, so c. Okay, so if we multiply the three terms, then what will happen? Like minus 2a multiplied with 3ab multiplied with 2b. So in that case, we will start from the left and eventually going to the right. Okay, so at first we will add up or multiply two terms, then we will bring the third terms there. Okay, so let's see here. The first number has minus 2 and 3. What will be the result? So one number is negative, one number is positive. The result number will be a negative. So minus 2 multiplied by 3, so it will be minus 6. How many a are there? 1a, and here is a, so 2a, that is a square. Here is a b, so that is b. Okay, it will multiplied with the 2b. Okay, then we will multiply it again. So this is a negative number and this is a positive number. One negative number and one positive number will create a negative number. Okay, so minus 6 multiplied by 2 will be minus 12. And how many a are there? There is only 2a over here. There is only 2a over here, so a square. And how many b's are there? There is 2b, so the result will be b square. Okay, so how you will divide? Let's see an example of like this. The number is 6a square b divided by minus 2a b square. So when it is divided, so we will make it as like a fraction. 6a square b divided by minus 2ab square. Okay, so if we break it down a little bit, 6, okay, a square means 2a, so a and 1b. Similarly b square means 2b, so it will be minus 2ab. Okay, then the result will be, if we cut it, 1a and 1a, 1b and 1b, and if we cut 2 with the 6, the result will be 3. Okay, so this negative sign will be in front of everything, and 3a divided by b. Okay, so let's see another example. So if it is look like this, 20 x square y to the power 4 divided by 5 x y to the power 6. So the result will be, if we cut 20 with the 5, the result will be 4. So 4, and there are 2x. Okay, here is 1x and here is 2x. So if we subtract, the remaining x will be 1x. And let's see, here is 6, here is 4. So which one is larger? This one is larger. So if we subtract, the result will be y to the power 2. Okay, so how is it possible? Let break it down. Okay, so 20 means 20 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y to the power 4, and 5x y to the power 4 means 4y, and y to the power 6 means 6y. Okay, if we cut it down, 1y 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 1y. Okay, then 1x 1x, the result will be, and if we cut 5 with the 20, then the result will be very similar than like before, 4x divided by y square. So these two results are similar. Okay, so see you guys on the third part of basic algebra.